Hello traders. Today we are going to talk about the trading platform of AngelOne. AngelOne has totally four trading platform. Two is web trading platform and two is mobile trading platform. In that, one popularly used is AngelOne mobile trading app. Everyone knows that. And now they have introduced new app that is Angel Spark. As technology is growing, they are improving their trading app also. Nowadays, everyone knows that all the broker has come on one page. Earlier, there was a changes like different brokerage charges from different brokers and different margin they provide. So now almost 90% of brokers has come into one page. Now, only difference is that the technology. The best technology the broker which provides will have a good client base. In that, Angel has started initiating a new app which already available, but a lot of people doesn't know that. So it has given an early access now. It is an early access, but it has a packed features. Really, I can say a trader will love that. It has a packed features. Yesterday I made this video, but I could not explain all the features. So it took me almost 1 hour. So today I am breaking into three parts this video. So today one part and second part, third part, three part I'm making this video, and I'm going to explain all the features which is available in this trading platform. So a trader should benefit out of these features. Even a beginners, those who doesn't know the fundamental, can start investing by using this app. That much of informative, all the details been provided in this app. So to access this app, you should have an angel broking account. So those who doesn't have the angel broking account, you can just click on the below description box and you will get a link. Using that link, you can start processing your account opening. If you have any issue while opening the account, you can contact us immediately. We will get back to you and sort out your issues. Okay, we'll start now. I'm opening the Angel Spark app. This is a Angel Spark and this one is AngelOne. Okay, I'm opening the Angel Spark. After opening, you have to click the get started. Okay, click on the get started and enter your mobile number and click next. After clicking next, it will ask for user ID and password. So first time it will ask for user ID and password. Later on, just you can use opening this app by fingerprint or using the pin number. Okay, I'll just put pin number and the app will look like this. Today I'm going to explain only the basic home part. Next video I'm going to explain about the watch list, stocks, how to add the stocks, and fundamental, how to see the fundamental, technical, what all the features Angel provides to you. You can use from the watch list. All those things we'll see tomorrow. And next video, again, third part, we'll see portfolio and account. This is a back office of account. You can see your profit and loss, daily, what is the profit, what are the charges been charged, brokerage charges, all the back office and account details and portfolio. These two we are going to see in the third part. Okay, today we are going to see the home one. This is how the page will look, and everything you can do it in the home page only. You no need to go anywhere. You can start trading from the home page itself. It has so beautiful features. Okay, right. Today's market, you can see here today's market. Okay, once you clicked on the today's market, this is a today's market. You just click on this arrow button. You can see here Nifty and Sensex. Okay, you can change this to Bank Nifty also. Okay, if you click on the arrow, the page will open like this, and here what are the features available is Sensex and Nifty. What is the Sensex and Nifty? And here you can see this is equity. I'm talking about the equity. Next, we will go to the derivative markets. Okay, now equity market. The top gainer, which are the stocks are top gainer, you can see here, and which are the stocks are top loser, you can see here, and which are the stocks active by volume, you can see here. Okay, if you click on the view all the stocks will show up here, and which are the stocks are active by value. Okay, it will show up here, right? Okay, for the equity market. And for the derivative markets, we'll go to derivative market. Here you can see the Nifty and Bank Nifty, because derivative F&O option and futures are with Nifty and Bank Nifty. These two indices are showing here. Short covering, both are on the short covering. In the live market, you can see long unwinding, long build up, short covering, short building, everything will show up here. Based on this also, you can judge to take a trade. Okay, now you can see a hit metal sector. You can see highest gainer of the day is the metal sector. And next pharma, next cement, next energy, realty, PSE. So media and PSU bank is the least one, and technology is in the negative side. So in the live market, you can see all these things. The best performing sector, you can click on the best performing sector, and you can select the stock of that sector. You can start trading on that also. Okay, if you want to add this in the watch list, you can see here star mark. Okay, click on this, it will get added to your watch list. Okay, that video will make tomorrow or next video, right? Okay, metal sector. So you can select from these which stock is performing, which sector is performing today good. Based on that sector, you can select and start trading also if you haven't some idea. Okay, now you can see here long build up. What are the stocks are long build up happening? You can see these are the stocks. If you click on the view all these stocks will show up here. So what do you mean by long build up? Long build up is nothing but some big players, lot of traders are adding their position in these stocks, hoping that this stock will go up. So that is why this stocks has gone up. Long build up is showing here. In the live market also you can see all these things. Based on this also you can select which all the stocks are long build up happening. Those stocks you can select and you can start trading also, but you should have some technical knowledge also. Okay, right, that will come in the later video. What is short build up? So people are negative on these stocks, so they are selling these stocks. The sell position is creating in these stocks. That is what the short build up. And next, this short covering. What is this short covering? People hoping, traders hoping these stocks will go up, so this short position, they are in the short position in the market, they are covering their shorts. Okay, they are covering their shorts. That means they are covering, that means the long position is building up. Once short is covered, they have to buy to cover the shorts. The buying are coming inside on these stocks. That is why these stocks is going up. And what is long unwinding? This is nothing but long unwinding is those who are long in these stocks for a few days, they are booking their profit, they are coming out from the stock. So that is what the long unwinding mean by. Right, now we are coming to derivative markets. Here top gainer, okay, in the derivative markets, top loser, okay, and OI gainer. This is OI gainer is open interest gainer. Lot of open interest is been accumulated in this stock, so this stock is going up. What is open interest or option chain? Those who want to know that, I have made in a video how to use the open interest. By using the open interest or option chain, how to do a trading, that I have made in a video. I will upload in the I button top corner. You can see I, click on it and you can view that video also. Okay, OI gainer, that means these stocks are OI open interest are building up, so that is why these stocks is going up. And OI loser, that means unwinding is happening in these stocks. OI people, those who are already in long, they are going out. That is why the OI loser. So OI loser, obviously these stocks will go down. Okay, all this you can see in the live market also. So you can open OI gainer, whichever the stocks OI build up is happening, you can just click on it and you can start trading also. Okay, this is how the derivative market details shows here. Right, now we'll go back. Now you can see here IPO and mutual fund. IPO, you can invest directly IPO from here. By clicking, you can invest IPO. And mutual fund also you can invest. Those who are having account, you can click on the mutual fund and Angel B app will get downloaded, and from there you can start investing in the mutual fund also. Anybody want to invest in the mutual fund? We are a financial advisor, so you can take a guidance from us to which is best suited for you. We'll give those mutual fund. You can start investing on the mutual fund also. And one more thing, it has made very easy to add the fund. You can see here only add the fund to trade balance. Okay, you can see 2000, 5000, 10,000 and custom also is there. Whatever fund you want to, if you want to add 10,000, just click on the 10,000, or custom, click on the custom. If you want to add 3,000 rupees, just click on the 3,000, and the option is given here: Phone Pay, Google Pay, other UPI methods and net banking. These all the method you can add into your account, right? And here you can see Insta Trade FNO. This will show your PNL at this point. Okay, all the PNL, what is the holding, all the details will show up here, and you can start trading from here also by clicking this arrow, or by clicking on this, it will take to you Nifty and Bank Nifty page. This is a trading view chart. You can, those who are used a trading view chart, you can use very easily. I'm not going to explain all the details on this. You can see here blue dotted, this blue dotted. Okay, if you click this, okay, the drawing tools, all these will show up here, and again if you click this, it will go back. Okay, here you can see Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, whatever position you are taken, the PNL will show, keep running in one page. You can do everything. Like if you want to buy option, any option chain is here. By seeing the chart, those who technically know how to draw support and resistance, based on support, if they have taken a trade, your PNL will show upside. And if you want to square off, just click on the order. Your open order will show up here. Click on that and square off button will come. You just click on the square off and confirm that it will get squared off. Okay, this is how you can square off the position, and you can see the option chain also here. See, actually generally the older app doesn't have access very easily the option chain. Here every stocks or nifty or bank nifty, whatever maybe, you will get the option chain here. Okay, if you click on the option chain, this option chain will open here. In this option chain also it will show long build up, long unwinding, it will show short build up, and it will show neutral also. If neutral market is trading sideways, it will show neutral also. Okay, by seeing this you can judge the market also. They have made very nicely this option chain here. OY change and LTP change, all these things you can see. LTP and LTP change, OY and OY change, it will show change in percentage only. Okay, and if you want to see more detail, you just pull this side, you can see change, OI change, how much change it, call and put both it will show, and you can see price change, and you can see volume, and you can see delta, theta, gamma, vega, all this detail you can see here. Today market is closed, so it is showing 00, right? Okay, if you want to buy, after seeing all these things, if you want to buy, you no need to add any script on the watch list. You can directly click here. If I want to buy this 112 rupees, 17,850, just click on the 17,850, just click on it and it will lead to a buying page. If you come here also you will see some detail. Okay, overview. Okay, what is the open, high, low, close, and you can see derivative part. If you click on the derivative part, you can see hourly wise what is the long build up is happening in this take price, or short covering is happening in this take price, long unwinding, neutral, short build up, short covering, all those things will show up here in the derivative part of this particular strike price. Okay, so you can see open interest, how much open interest it is holding also you can see. So all this detail will show up here. After seeing all these things, if you want to buy, just click on the buy button and enter the lot, how much you want to buy, how much lot. Like if you want to buy 2 lots, you can click on the 2. Limit prices as you wish, what price you want to buy, and market price is market running price will show up here. On the market price your order will get placed, and if you want to place order, just click a place order and confirm, just confirm, it will get executed. Okay, this is how you can buy. But stocks I will show different, that is in the watch list. When I come to watch list, at that time I will show a lot of other details are there in the stocks, so we'll in the second video we'll share that. Okay, right, now derivative parts, and you can see all the expiry will show up here in the top. Okay, monthly expiry. And if you go to option chain, I go to option chain, you can see all the expiry will show up here. You can see here 3rd November, 10th November, whichever expiry you want to see, you can click that expiry and you can see the option data. Okay, now I'll go back to, this is the insta trade part I have shown you, and all the profit and loss also will be shown in the home page only. All the things will show up in the home page. Okay, right, and rewards, offers, refer and earn, portfolio advisory, here the advisory part also is there. Okay, and stocks picks. Okay, AngelOne is having their own technical team, fundamental analyst team. With all the team, they analyze and they give a calls also. Their calls accuracy is very good, friends. Beginner can use this and you can start trading also. See, their calls 65% in intraday calls, and short term 62%, commodity 70%. AngelOne top pick, this is for long term investment, 188% it has given. If you want to trade, like if I click on the intraday part, you can see they have given a call M&M, max loss is 222 and max profit is 408, 10 lot. That means 1:2 risk reward they are giving. You can directly buy from here also. If you want to view the detail, you can view the detail and start buying from here. So their calls are very good. Stop loss and target, you have to adapt to stop loss and target. Definitely you will make money in this market. And long-term investment, if you click on this, you can buy for long-term investment. You can buy from here itself and you can add that in the portfolio. See what price they have given. If that is gone very up, then don't buy. New calls when they are providing, you can invest in the new calls. Okay, this advisory part I have explained, and fundamental part, when I come to fundamental part, I'll give more clarity on this. Okay, AngelOne Learning Center, this is AngelOne Learning Center. You can click this and whatever the details they have given, you can start learning on it, right? And external services, AngelOne has tie up with an external services, that is small case, vested, sensible, okay, strict. You can build a strategy here and you can directly place order in the AngelOne. So they have given these investment apps also, you can use of these apps also. I hope friends you have understood all the details which I explained in this app. I can say it's a packed features available in this. In the further videos, I will share all the features in detail when I go to watchlist, portfolio and accounts. All the features I will explain you. Now, hope you are clear on the home page. After seeing this video, friends, if you like this video, please share it to your trading friends. And if you want to open your account, as I said, in the description box, you will get a link. You can click on the link and you can open your account. Any queries regarding this trading platform or any investment related queries, your financial planning related queries, you can contact us. So we will guide you on the financial related queries. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you with next second part of this video. Thank you.